Hi, I'm Bob Loeffler with Fearless Agent Coaching and Training, and I wanted to just real quick touch on a subject that I think will help you with your prospecting. When you're making prospecting calls, you're calling for sale by owners, you're calling expired listings, you're cold calling, whoever you're calling. There's two types of people you'll be talking to that say they want to sell their house. One is a seller and the other is a gambler. The seller says, hey, I'm going to sell my house. I'm moving. I am going to sell my house, and the only question is, who's my agent going to be? The gambler says, I'm going to sell my house if I can do this or get this. Okay, once you hear the if word, you're talking to a gambler, and you probably shouldn't even go on that listing presentation. So a lot of the problems that coaching students of mine have initially is because they're talking to the wrong people. I would rather have you make more calls and only go on the sellers and not be talking to so many gamblers. So I hope that helps your cause. Call me anytime. Click on fearlessagent.com. Love to help you in any way we can. Thanks, gang.